What's up, friends? Welcome to Arnie a la plancha. Street food is undeniably delicious, especially bacon wrapped hot dogs, just like the ones you find downtown, close to ballparks and at events. In this video, I'll show you my version of this all-time great. It's so simple to make and the magic all happens on the toppings. So let's get this plancha fired up and start cooking. Vámonos! All right, so we have some hot dog wieners, we have some thin sliced bacon, we have some onions, I chopped up some pickled jalapenos, and I chopped up some dill pickles and a little bit of tomato. We're also gonna finish them with a little bit of mayo and a little bit of mustard, and one more secret ingredient. Stay with us to see what it is. We're gonna start with hot dog number one. Now you can use a toothpick. I've done it both ways. You wanna start with that first tip right underneath the bacon. I like to stretch it a little bit like this. And then you want to overlap right there. And then you just kind of roll it right along just like that. Stretch it a little bit. Keep it rolled up. Stick that last piece under there, just like that, and it should hold. All right, let's try another one. We're gonna stretch it a little bit, make it as long as we can. Then we're gonna wrap. You want to overlap a little bit, and it's just that easy, my friends. We have 6 bacon wrapped hot dogs. We're ready to get this Blackstone Griddle all fired up and go to town. Vámonos. I always like to leave at least one side as a warming side, whether it's there or here. When you have a big griddle like this, you've got a lot of room. You can do a lot of different kinds of cooking. Today we're doing a simple cook. We're just rolling some hot dogs. So I'm only gonna use these 2 in the middle. We're ready to cook some hot dogs. And so I'm just gonna start right here in the middle. Here's number 2. Here is number 3. And then there's 3 more that we're putting on here today. You can see all that little sizzle whizzle going on. It smells amazing. Once that bacon starts to cook underneath, that part that's tucked under should stay in place. All right, let's roll this. Ooh, look at that. All you want to do is rotate them a little bit at a time. So one of the things you can do is kind of keep them together so they don't roll away. That way you'll be able to crisp them up on all sides. All right, these looking good, good, good. Okay, this one's about done. I'm gonna turn off this burner right over here and move this hot dog right up here where it's done. It's time to throw our onion and jalapenos in here. So I'm gonna drop these onions, try to get these softened up a little bit. And it's not gonna hurt to add a little bit of olive oil on here. All you want to do is soften up these onions. You want to saute them so that they become translucent and soft, but you don't want to overdo it because you still want a little bit of crunch in there. These hot dogs are all done too, so we're going to move them all over here to the side of the griddle that's warm. And it's time to add our jalapenos in here next to the onions. These onions are done. I'm gonna put them over here. This Blackstone works so good. Even with just these 2 burners on over here, it's still sizzling over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get these jalapenos warmed up a little bit. We're not trying to cook them. These are pickled jalapenos, so all we're doing is adding a little heat. We're gonna go ahead and take these out, put them back in the bowl. We don't wanna toast them. We just wanted them nice and soft like that. The jalapenos are all warmed up too, so let's get these out of here. Now here's a little trick. We're gonna put a little squirt of mayo in here. Put that on the bun. We're gonna roll it around a little bit, get it a little toasty. The mayo has a little bit of oil in there, so that helps brown the bun a little bit. It gives it an extra good flavor as well. All right, friends, it's time to assemble our bacon wrapped hot dogs. I'm a pickle guy. I love pickles. These are chopped dill pickles. Those are my favorite. If you like relish, go ahead and use the relish that you like. Get a little bit of onions, a little bit of jalapenos. I did chop these up too. A little bit of tomato on each hot dog here. And last but not least, a little sliver of avocado. Now we need a little squirt of mustard and a little bit of mayonnaise. All right, my friends, my bacon wrapped hot dogs are ready. They smell delicious. That bacon aroma is just like intoxicating. It's super good. My mouth is watering. They look beautiful. Now, right now, I'm gonna take advantage of my job and do my favorite part of every video, the taste test. Let's go. I'm gonna get this one over here on the end. Oh my goodness. Bacon wrapped hot dog. A little bit of onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, tomato, avocado, mayonnaise, and mustard. All the good stuff that belongs on a hot dog, in my opinion. I only have 2 more bites to go, but I know y'all are excited and you're ready to go to the store and buy some hot dogs, hot dog buns, and some thin sliced bacon so you can make your own bacon wrapped hot dog the way that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up so I can finish my hot dog. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you at the next one. Keep the smoke light, make it work.